Good morning, Mr. Tanvir. Thanks for coming today. How are you?
I'm fine, man, and hope you're good as well.
Nice to hear. Let's start with an overview. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself and why you are interested in web development?
Thank you, ma'am. I am actually a motivated and a hardworking web developer who is passionate toward creating efficient and user-friendly websites. I am experienced in both front-end and back-end web development, and I have been using multiple languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, and also React. And I've been working in this field ever since I am in college, and my favorite part of this job is problem solving and creating applications that help businesses reach their goals. And ever since I have been in this journey.
That's a good start. You have listed freelance work as a full stack web developer. Can you elaborate on the projects you have worked on?
Sure, ma'am. Ever since I have started working in this field, I have been working as a freelancer, and I did work as a freelancer for a very long time. And throughout this whole time, I have worked and created multiple projects and multiple website and web-based applications for many clients. And one of my recent projects was creating a web-based store for a company, a business company, and I used React for their front end and also Node.js for their backend development. And I also added some of the additional and third-party APIs for creating the payment methods and also some of the other facilities.
Impressive. How do you approach debugging and optimization of web applications?
Ma'am, usually I apply a structure-based approach. I first identify an issue, and then I go to the browser's developer option and also libraries for identifying the root cause of the problem. And this also actually helps build the code structure better, and it also reduces the loading time using multiple factors. And I also recommend people to run a performance test on a daily basis so that they can ensure the efficiency of their website.
Okay, so now for your UI UX design skill, you mentioned that you have experience in Canva. How do you apply design principles to your project?
Ma'am, honestly speaking, as I'm not a UX and UI designer expert, I'm a full stack web developer, so I have main skills on that, but I also do design some of the UI and UXs for some of the clients who actually do not have their own designs or they do not have their own designers. So I mostly use Canva for that. As I know, Canva is not an advanced application, but it is but being this one is a decent application. It have all the features that is required for designing a website. And if a person have enough skills and enough knowledge regarding designs, they can really create good website designs for using this application. And I have been working with Canva for a very long time, and I have designed multiple websites for multiple clients using Canva.
Okay, that's one good way to look at it. What has your toughest challenge been as a developer, and how did you solve it?
I've actually worked in multiple projects, so many projects that I have learned through a lot of these projects. And one of the toughest projects that I did in my whole journey is one of the recent project, and which is I had to integrate one of the AI-based chatbot into a website, and that is something I was not really expert into it, but I did learn that thing for that specific project and provided a good result over there. I saw many learning materials to how to build this thing. Then I learned that whole thing, and then I completed the project for that one. That was one of the toughest projects that I did, and that was also a learning opportunity for me.
That's a very important lesson. How do you keep yourself updated with recent developments and technologies in web development?
Ma'am, in this social media era, I actually keep myself updated through social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and most importantly YouTube. YouTube have some of the very good free resources. As I am working in an IT field, so obviously this field continuously keeps growing and upgrading, so I really need to keep myself updated according to it. So I access a lot of free resources that is available in YouTube and keep teaching myself. And I also have some of the actual mentors who actually guide me and teach me a lot of things, who are currently residing in other country, but I am connected with them through LinkedIn. So I stay in contact with them time to time, and they actually teach me a lot of things, and I use those resources that are available in YouTube. This way I keep myself updated.
Thank you, Mr. Tanvir. We'll be in touch with you shortly. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.